Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your Power by dashboards that extra bit of interactivity, like letting your viewers hide or show visuals with a simple toggle, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a really handy workaround for hiding and showing visuals using a basic DAX measure. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a clean, user-friendly toggle that feels almost like magic. No complicated bookmarks or selection pane tricks needed. Let's jump straight in. So in Power BI, there isn't an official way to truly hide a visual using DAX. You usually have to rely on the selection pane or bookmarks. But with a clever approach, you can mimic that effect by making your visuals blank when you want them out of sight. All it takes is a simple control table, a slicer, and one piece of DAX. Let me break it down for you step by step. First up, let's create a control table. You can think of this like a light switch. It'll let you turn on or turn off your visuals. Now the good news is this part is optional, but I suggest you include it for greater clarity. Start by heading over to Enter Data in Power BI. In the dialog box that pops up, create a quick table with a single column called Show Visual. Add two rows, one saying Show and another Hide. You can name this table Visual Toggle to keep things organized. Don't worry if you haven't worked with control tables before, this is just a simple list to drive our toggle. Next, let's bring in a slicer. Drop the Show Visual column into a slicer on your report canvas. This instantly gives your users a friendly way to pick whether they want the visual displayed or not. It's the difference between forcing them through menus versus giving them a simple switch right at their fingertips. Now for the secret sauce, crafting a DAX measure to control visibility. The idea here is elegant in its simplicity. Write a measure that checks what's selected in your control table. If Show is picked, it returns the data. If Hide, it returns blank. Here, what that might look like: Show Visual Measure equals NIF SELECT devalue visual equals show sum sales amount or your own measure. Blank. Replace the sum with whatever measure you really want to show. The logic is neat. A blank returned in Power BI doesn't throw an error, it just makes the visual appear invisible to your viewers. It's almost like the chart vanished from the page. Once your measure is ready, swap out the measure in your chart, whether it's a bar chart, KPI, or line graph, and insert this new Show Visual measure instead of your usual field. Now when someone flips the toggle to hide, that visual displays nothing, almost as if it was truly hidden. If you want to take this a step further and avoid leaving a sad, empty rectangle on your dashboard, try nesting your visual inside a card, shape, or container. You can even get creative, overlay a message like Visual Hidden, and use conditional formatting tied to your measure so that text pops up when the visual is blank. Or for a polished experience, combine this system with bookmarks for an even smoother toggle effect. Don't worry if this part feels a little fiddly, experiment until it looks seamless, and there you have it. You've now built a clever hide-show toggle for your Power BI visuals using nothing but a simple DAX measure and a few formatting tricks. This approach keeps things simple, but still gives your viewers control, and your dashboards a professional, interactive touch. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or ideas in the comments. I love hearing how you use these tips. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more Power BI tutorials and real-world tricks just like this. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.